Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Walmart prepaid card online, easy steps, step by step, clearly. To activate your Walmart prepaid card online, first, visit the official Walmart MoneyCard website. Locate the Activate option on the home page. Click on the Activate link to initiate the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your card number. Type in the 16-digit card number found on the front of your card. Next, enter the expiration date of your card. This date can be found beneath the card number. You will also need to provide the security code. The security code is the 3-digit number located on the back of your card. After entering all the required information, click on the Continue button. If prompted, create an online account by providing your email address and a secure password. Fill out any additional personal information as requested. Once you have completed the form, review your entries for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to complete the activation process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. At this point, your Walmart prepaid card is ready for use. Log into your account to manage your card balance and transactions if you wish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.